Hello and welcome back to the Understanding Mangrove series. I'm Zetty and today I'm here to talk to you about TC1125. This product is part of our EcoMix Super Concentrates range and is also accredited to our climate certification. So TC1125 kills smells and malodors and leaves behind a fresh lemon scent. And so this product here is a lemon disinfectant and it's suitable for use on all water washable surfaces, from tables to chairs to touch points. It is also for use as a disinfectant on cleaning floors in schools, hospitals, offices, canteens and many more facilities. TC1125 is also accredited to the EN standard BS EN 1276. And this means that it kills a wide range of bacteria, including the E. coli and food poisoning bacteria. This product also contains a broad spectrum quaternary biocide within its formulation. To use this product, apply via a mop, cloth or spray, and then wipe clean. Let's now see how we dose this product.
To use an EcoMix Super Concentrate, remove the cap carefully in a push and twist motion. Squeeze the container gently to allow the chemical to rise up through the tube and fill the reservoir. Release the bottle and allow the liquid in the chamber to settle. This is now an accurate 10ml dose of Super Concentrate. To use this in a trigger spray, fill the trigger spray with water first, then add one 10ml dose of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate. Replace your trigger head securely. Then rotate the bottle twice to ensure that the solution is mixed. To create 5 litres of solution, fill a bucket with 5 litres of water first. Then take your EcoMix and add 2 10ml doses of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate to the bucket.
Scan the QR code on this product or head to www.clenasupplies.co.uk for more information. There is also access on the website to specification sheets, safety data specifications, bug kill rates and chemical safety assessments where it applies to products. If you have any other questions, please reach out to the team. Thank you.